Hey guys, it's Bree from Create with Bree, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, thanks for joining me. I hope you'll become a subscriber. If you're returning, thanks for checking out another one of my videos. Today, I'm going to be doing a detailed flip through of my new sticker book called Iconic. This book is going to be launching on January 5th next week, which is a Wednesday, and it's going to launch at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you're interested in seeing more about this sticker book, make sure you keep watching. Okay, so this sticker book, similar to the Nude Hues book, is 6 inches wide by 11 inches tall. The name is located on the front as well as on the top spine, because I know a lot of people like to store their books standing up, so you can easily find the book that you're looking for. It has an elastic band, which will keep the book together when the pages start to fall out, which we all know happens over time with use of the book. And then we have our color story on the back. We have 24 karat gold, jet, denim, mud, blush, and smoke. And I went with these colors because I feel like they're pretty classic and neutral in the sense that they can be paired well with lots of different stickers. It has 4,000 stickers and 36 pages. So we will start flipping through. And then, as I mentioned before, with my Nude Hues flip through, the clear cover does have a protective film on the front and the back that you can either leave on or you can peel it off. I usually will peel mine off, so this one does not have it on there. But when you get the book, that film will be there to just help protect the page from getting scratched. So when we open this up here, we start to see the stickers. So there are 24 icon designs throughout the book, and they come in different color variations. So the first 2 pages are paper stickers, and these are in the jet color or the black color. So as you can see, we have a number of icons that I felt we use in our day-to-day planning. So this top icon is for hair appointments. The next icon is for nail appointments. The next icon is wax appointments, our doctor's appointments, dentist appointments, spa day or self-care, prescription or take your medicine. We have our movie night icon, our workout icon, shopping icon, and our mailbox, which could mean Happy Mail or a post office run. We also have our airplanes, which are indicated for travel. And then the next page, again, this is paper stickers in the jet color or black. We have our credit card icons, money icons or payday icons, meal icons, calendar or important date icon, our laundry icon, our vacuum cleaner, which is indicated for cleaning. We have our cupcake icon, which is indicated for birthdays, our coffee icon, computer icon for work, phone icon for calls, and we have our church icon, and then our date night icon, or this could mean really anything like going out or having a girls' night, but it's little wine glasses. So then if we flip to the next page, we have the same color, the jet color, but these are clear, transparent, clear matte stickers. So we have 2 pages of that in the jet with the white background. And then next we have the smoke color. So this is a very soft gray color, and these are paper stickers. So we have the first page and then our second page here. And then next we go into the smoke color in the clear transparent matte stickers. Here's the second page. And then next we get into our mud color. So this color is found in the Nude Hue sticker book, so this will pair very well with that. So we have our paper stickers, 2 pages of that. And we have our transparent matte stickers in the mud color. Next we have our denim, which this is one of my favorite colors in the book. These are paper stickers. This is a beautiful navy blue color. Your 2 pages of paper. Then we have our clear matte stickers in the denim color. And then we have our blush, which this is my second favorite color in the book. This is a beautiful mauve color. So these are the paper blush stickers. Then we have our clear transparent stickers in the blush color. And then next we get into the gold foiling in the book. So these are our paper stickers with gold foiling. You have 2 pages of those. Then next we have our clear matte stickers in gold foiling, and there are 2 pages of those. And then next we get into our colored background icon stickers. So this first set is black or jet background with white icons, and these are paper stickers. So these came out beautifully. I really love how these look. These are my favorite as well in the book. And then we get into our gold foiling on the color background. So we have our jet color with our gold foil or 24 karat gold icons. These are paper stickers. So we get 2 pages of those. Then we get into our smoke color with the gold foiling. These are also paper stickers. And then we have our mud color with the gold foiling. These are paper stickers as well. There's 2 pages of those. And next we are going to be looking at our denim color with the gold foiling. Again, this is one of my favorite colors in the book, and I love how it looks with the gold foiling. Very, very chic and beautiful. These are paper stickers. 2 pages of those. And then the last set in the book is going to be our blush color with the gold foiling. And this is, again, another one of my favorites. Beautiful, beautiful mauve blush color with gold foiling. And you get 2 pages of those. And these are paper stickers. So that is all of the stickers in the book. Really love how the book came out. I think these are very beautiful colors, classic colors that will pair well with any stickers you may already have in your stash. You get a variety of paper stickers and clear transparent matte stickers. So there you have it. That is the full flip through of this new iconic sticker book that's going to be launching on January 5th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's going to be next Wednesday, so make sure you mark your calendars and set your clocks so you don't miss the launch. And before we wrap up, I just wanted to show 2 quick little task card ideas that you can use these stickers for. Here I am using the Denim transparent matte stickers, and so this is a great way to keep up with recurring tasks in your planner. And then here, this is just a black sticky note that I used a white gel pen with. And here you can see we have our white icons with the jet background, and these are paper stickers. So the possibilities are endless on how you can use these, and you won't run out for a really long time, or if you even run out at all, because there's so many stickers in the book. But that was my goal with this book, to make sure you just had a plethora of options and enough stickers to last you a good while, because I hate running out of a sticker that I really love. So just wanted to make sure this book was jam-packed with enough icons to last you a good while. So again, if you are interested in this book, it's going to launch on January 5th at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on my website. Make sure you're following me on my social media platforms at Create with Bree, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. This year I hope to post different planner videos, and I'm also going to be launching many more products this year. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any uploads from me. So I will see you guys in the next video. For now, take care.